Come test drive the 2020 Aviator. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, power brakes. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, driver attention alert system, airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, audio rear, volume control, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, multifunction display. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.